Okay, so I think I got it all done. Cables all coming out. These are just unused for right now. These are all used ones. Power in, out. Alright, just gonna use my small charger. Push buttons should light up around it. Okay, first 4 rows should light up. These ones here are dual wired, so they actually have to be hooked to the thing that's running them to the light. Then these here, nitrous purge. This is, I believe I'm going to do it as nothing right now, really. It's just going to be a freebie. Then these here should light up. These two are also dual powered, positive and a negative, dual in out. That's why you're not seeing it light up. If it was hooked to something, then it would light. This one here should light. That's a ground out. Nothing whenever you push them up. Wired to nothing. Same way with this one. But the rebound action in it is hooked up. Works out pretty good. I like it. Nice. Alright, time to put it in the car. Cool.